Good morning, class. Standard 10 Physical Educations. Today's chapter, Section A, Physical Educations. So, what do you mean physical educations? So, physical education means physically and mental and social well-being is called physical educations. What are the qualities you need? Why you need a physical educations? So, first of all, meaning of physical educations. Acquisition and refinement of motor skills aims at physical, mental, emotional, and social developments. So, first, physical development. A development of organ systems, development in size of the bones and muscles. Next, social development. Development of social traits, TRAITS, traits. Attainment of leadership qualities. You have to learn from others how to handle the situations, how to move, how to talk in social way. If we go outside, how to behave with the public, likewise. Now, psychological development related to mental developments, physical activities require alertness of mind. This also requirements. Now we'll come to the emotional developments. This is also most important. Related to the ability to recognize, express and manage feelings, develop control emotions. Whichever is there, we have to control our emotions. Sometimes so many are going in criminal way, when you are getting emotions, we can't tolerate, and you go the good way also and bad way also. So if we go to bad way, you will become a criminal. If you go in a good way, you will be a good human to others. So this is the physical educations. So we are going to see how it is, how the questions going to become for your board exams. So 2 marks questions, all, as you know, I told you last 2 years, the question is always come to section A. It's called 50 marks. Each there is a 5 question in that. All one questions consist of 4 questions. That is 2, 2, 3, 3 marks. Total 5 question will comes. So in that you have to write everything. Compulsory you have to write. Now physical educations. There's so many. There is a 10 authors, the researchers say different opinion of there. What do you mean the physical educations? So many are there. If you see the textbook, you can learn physical is in only one sentence. It is physically, mentally, and socially and emotionally development called physical educations. Simple word. They no need to see everything is going on. So, objective of the physical educations. What do you mean? Somebody said, as per a textbook they are given. As per my concern, that is simple word: physical, mental, social, and emotional development called physical educations. This is a definition of physical educations. Even the textbook says, the Cassidy says, Physical education is the sum of changes in the individual caused by the experiences centering around motor activities. The motor activities, motor muscles that will make physical activities. So, objective of the physical education's physical development. It is one of the foremost objective of physical education's development of organ systems such as circulatory system, digestive system, nervous system, and muscular system. Develop in size, shape, and efficiency of all body parts, including muscles and bones. Now, psychological development. This is also important. It is related to mental development of a person. Participation in various activities enables an individual to learn to draw certain conclusions. Various physical activities require alertness of mind, deep concentration, and calculated movements. So everybody is doing uh, physical activities. Suppose I am telling you go to 10-meter high board in a swimming pool to make a jump from there. If you are willing, if your heart is say, if your mind is say, so I can do this work. When your mind is not agreeing with that, I can't, it is scary, I can't jump. So that is the psychological effect will be happens. Whatever you want, you need a skill to how to handle the situations. Think of mind, quick actions, that moment what you want to do. Suppose normally when a person drown in swimming pool, you have to rescue him. What to do? What first aid you have to give? First of all, you must know the swimming. Second thing, to how to rescue him. Which method you going to use? That and all you need a alertness, you need a skill. That's why the mental strength also requirements. The social developments. It is related to development of all the social traits essential to better adjustment in life. We cannot accept your family members. If you come to outside your house, you have to adjust with the surroundings. Public, whichever office you go, wherever you work, you have to adjust with them, you have to move with them smoothly. That is the social things. Players get to know each other in spite of different culture, domiciles, and backgrounds. Different kind of, now Indian team you take all India, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Bombay to Calcutta, from northeast to West Gujarat. Likewise, the players are more all India level, different language, different culture. The all together you have to adjust with. It is one of the sources of attain leadership qualities like that, like fair play, team spirit, cooperations, tolerance, sportsmanship, and courtesy. This is the most important one. Become a full, complete man. This point should be required. Now, next, emotional development. Somebody's get angry, throw the bottle, something, breaking the cycle, hitting the wall, and scolding them, and manhandling, physically attack, abusing, aggression moment, aggression face, adamant, likewise. This is emotional development. How can you develop the emotional? If you have physical fitness and mind is set, socially well-being, then emotionally we have to be controlled. The emotions are vital for every individuals, but excess is always bad. As I told you earlier, if you do excess, if you show your attitude, it is not possible. If you show your angriness, it will always give you a bad taste. You become a criminal, or you become a most wanted person for others. If you do good thing, they like you. If you do any bad thing, they hate you, they dislike you. Like that. One of the major objectives that it helps to develop and control various emotions like fear, pleasure, hope, anger, jealousy, etc. This all somebody scolded you means you will get most aggressive mode, angry. Then someone is wearing nice shirt, someone is playing very nicely, then you get jealous on them. Someone got car, why didn't buy the car, that emotion will be there, jealousness. So like that, this is the stage to control everything. By participating in various physical education programs, an individual start having control over his her emotions. This is important. Physical education teaches this four thing to make a man perfect. Right. Now next I am going to give the questions and answers. Carefully listen. If you have doubt, you can open your textbook and find. So I am giving whatever the board question and answer asking for. The right answer I am giving you. Please keep it to record. It is come for your exam 100%. Please note and carefully listen. The first questions is all 2 marks questions. Define physical educations. Somebody something they're writing 2 lines, the answer they'll finish it and do it. What is the real matter to the question, how to write when a question comes? Verbally we say, orally we say, fine. When you come to writing, you have to give full effect writing the physical educations. Answer is, physical education is an integral and important part of educational process which is learned through playful activities. It tends to bring desirable changes in the behavior and attitude of individuals towards progress. Physical education is not limited to games, sports, or exercises. It aims at complete development of the personality through physical activities. So this is definition of physical educations. Now second questions. Write down any 2 objectives of physical educations. So already I told you this objectives, physical developments. Textbook is there. You can find out. Now let me give the answer. Question is, write down any 2 objectives of physical education. So I am giving 4 points, so write in 2 points only. First one answer, physical development. Second point, psychological development. Third one, social development. Fourth one, emotional development. So each 1 marks. The next third question, is physical education necessary for a healthy body and mind? Question is this, once again repeat, is physical education necessary for a healthy body and mind? Normally in the physical motto will say, there's sound mind in a sound body. Right? Now answer I'm going to give you. Yes. Answer is yes. Then continuation. Physical education develops body and mind. Moreover, it develops total personality related to physical, mental, social, and emotional development of an individual. Physical education helps to develop good health and lead the person's life towards progress and wellness. It leads to balanced development of individuals. This is answer for that. Now let me go for 3 marks questions. First questions: explain the meaning of physical education using various statements. As I told you, 10 authors, the researchers told different way what is a physical education. That is only outright. So according to first pair I am reading, according to H.C. Buck, physical education is the part of general education program which is considered with growth, development, and is considered with growth, development, and education of children through the medium of big muscles activities. It is the education of whole child by means of physical activities. Physical activities are the tools. These are so selected and conducted as they influence every child's life physically, mentally, emotionally, and morally. The second para, Charles A. Butchers defined physical education as Charles A. Butcher, his name, author name, defines physical education as an integral part of total education process which has its aim the development of physically, mentally, emotionally, and socially fit citizens through the medium of physical activities which have been selected with a view to realize these outcomes. So everybody is saying same mentally, physically, socially, and emotionally. This is 4-in-1 called physical educations. So this is answer, 3 marks. Now second questions, explain any 3 objectives of education, physical education in detail. This is a detail you have to tell. First one, objectives of physical education. Regarding the objectives of physical education, many leading figures of this field advocate different objectives according to their concepts, but the main objectives of physical educations are physical development. Physical developments. The foremost objective of physical education is physical development. It includes muscle tone, strength, good posture, endurance, and development of good health habits. According to this objective, body should grow in a proper way. In fact, it is the overall development of our organic system such as nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, etc. Physical activities help in developing the body. Our body is kind of machine which grows and develops with the physical activities. Physical development improves our neuromuscular responses and leads to maximum organic development. Thus, physical activities must be performed to develop optimum growth. This objective also guides a person to make his body strong, well shaped, good looking, good working of internal organs, good health, and improves the physical personality. The second point, psychological development. The psychological level of an individual can be developed with the help of physical education. Various physical activities not only require physical strength but also need alertness of mind, deep concentration, and a precise movement. The study of physical education also includes understanding techniques of the game, rules and regulations, anatomical and psychological studies, balanced diet, etc. Thus, physical education improves the knowledge of an individual and enables him to face and solve new situations and problems. In this way, his psychological development take place in different forms. Next, social development. The man is a social animal and cannot live without society. Man is part of society and has to follow the rules, regulation, traditions, and the laws of society. Participation in the physical education activities provides opportunities for the development of desirable social traits needed for adjustment to the social life in general. This objective develops the social qualities like cooperative behavior, friendship, togetherness, honesty, obedience, boldness, tolerance, adjustment, leadership, sincerity, social developments, and self discipline. Social development helps to achieve the aim of educational and physical education, that is, to be an ideal citizen and a useful member of the society. A society can prosper in a healthy social environment, and this is possible only through the program of physical education. So, this is done through the program. Physical activities program you have to make. That's why school always will make athletics, boxing, badminton, table tennis, dramatic, education. Why they're making? Through this way only you will learn everything. Alone you cannot do anything, physical activities, physical work. So this is called the physical educations. Give more physical training is different, physical education is different. Physical training is regarding the body, training the body, the particular professional they are doing. But physical education is a common to everyone. So next, emotional development, the last point. Emotions are very important part of optimum development of men's personality. Emotions like love, hate, anger, jealousy, pleasure, hope, fear, distress, lust, loneliness, aggressiveness, anxiety, etc. are parts of human personality. It is very important for controlling these emotions in normal conditions and under pressure. Physical education aims at attaining emotional stability. From its participants, This means that one should be able to face any type of situation. Competitions are an indispensable. Competitions are characterized by success and failure. Physical education teaches the students to accept both success and failure gracefully. This helps him or in future life as she is able to accept the success and failure in life alike. So this is the long answer questions, 3 marks questions. You have to learn. Now new subject that is totally different. You have to carefully write paragraph wise and give the answers. Easily you can score. Once you what you are doing daily, day to day, what you are facing in the society, in the house, outside road. That's only physical education. That will teach you everything. Nothing too hard to say. Physical education is so tough. No. If you are mentally fit, physically fit. If physically fit, mentally fit. So this is a system of physical educations. That's why the school extra curriculum why they giving to develop these qualities, to control those emotional things. That is called physical educations. Right? I will give the questions. If you have any doubt, you can go through your textbook. It is there already. Notes also given. So you can go through. If you have any doubt, you can anytime you can ask. Good morning, class. Stay safe. Stay at home.